Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine at home, okay? Doing your work. From today we are starting English. We are starting revision of FA3. Okay? You all know that lesson number 7 and poem 8 will come in lesson number FA3. Okay? So we will revise this lesson 7, poem 8. Understood student? We are starting revision of FA3 revision. Okay? So do revision properly. Understood children? Yes. Watch this video properly, fully, so that you will be able to revise everything. Okay? So see now. What we will revise today? Today we will revise hard words meaning. Okay? Of lesson number 7. We will revise hard words and meanings of lesson 7 and poem 8. This will help you to give the answers. Understand the lesson and the poem properly. Okay children? So I hope you all are doing everything. Okay, you have completed your fair book as well. Okay, so now see, revise it, do revision at home. Okay, revise it quietly, learn well. Okay children, so I hope you will do revision of lesson 7 and poem 8. Okay, do you know lesson 7? What is the lesson 7? Grandma Mason. And poem 8 is? Very good. People work. So these two, lesson and one poem, you have to revise. It will help you in FA3 portion, in FA3 exam. Okay? So revise it well. Okay children? Now see, hard words of lesson number 7. Hard words of lesson 7. See here, from the picture only you know what is the lesson. Grandma and she is buying cucumber. Okay. So do you remember this by seeing the picture? Very good. So we will learn hard words. We will revise it. Okay children? Yes. You can do it with me. So now see. Okay, you want to do no? So number 1, grandma. See, she is grandma. We have learned the lesson. So now we will revise the spelling. You have learned the spelling, no? So grandma. 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 You all know. Okay. Number 2, forgets. 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 You all know that grandma was forgetful, no? So in the lesson we have done this. You have read the lesson? Very good. So grandma forgets. 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 Number 3, things. 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 What she forgets? She forgets things. Okay children? Yes. Number 4 is needs. 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 Number 5 is umbrella. 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 Okay children? Number 6 is grocer. 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 Okay? GROCER. Grocer. Number 7, buys. B-U-Y-S, buys. B-U-Y-S, buys. Number 8 is shop. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Number 9, greengrocer. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, greengrocer. Number 10 is cucumber. See this cucumber. Number 10, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Okay, children, learn this spelling. So you will be able to write it in your exam, the words correctly. Okay, see, we will revise once again. Grandma. See the spelling? Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma. Forgets. F-O-R-G-E-T-S. Forgets. F-O-R-G-E-T-S. Forgets. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Here. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. N-E-E-D-S. Needs. N-E-E-D-S. Needs. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Number 6 is grocer. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. B-U-Y-S. buys. B-U-Y-S. buys. S-H-O-P. shop. S-H-O-P. shop. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-O-C-E-R. greengrocer. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-O-C-E-R. greengrocer. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. cucumber. I hope now you all have understood. Learn this well. Okay. See now. Hard words. Number 11. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Packet. See in the picture there is a packet. P-A-C-K-E-T. Packet. Number 13. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Number 14. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Number 15. Wonders. W-O-N-D-E-R-S. Wonders. Number 16. Walks. W-A-L-K-S. Walks. Number 17. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Number 18. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Number 19. Reached. R-E-A-C-H-E-D. Reached. Number 20. Things. T-H-I-N-K-S. Things. Okay, children. See now. Tomatoes. What is this word? Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Packet. P-A-C-K-E-T. Packet. P-A-C-K-E-T. Packet. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Wonders. W-O-N-D-E-R-S. Wonders. Walks. W-A-L-K-S, walks, W-A-L-K-S, walks. Home, H-O-M-E, home, H-O-M-E, home. Wet, W-E-T, wet, W-E-T, wet. Reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached. Things, T-H-I-N-K-S, things, T-H-I-N-K-S, things. Okay children, now see poem 8 hard words. We will revise hard words of poem 8. From the picture only you know which words will going to come. Okay, see, so he is a tailor. So number 1, Nigel, N-I-G-E-L, Nigel. Number 2, Nailer, N-A-Y-L-O-R, Nailer. Number 3, Tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, Tailor. Number 4, makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes. Number 5, trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. Number 6, suits, S-U-I-T-S, suits. Number 7, shirts, S-H-I-R-T-S, shirts. Okay children, see now. We will revise so that you will be able to read the lesson. Nigel, N-I-G-E-L, Nigel. Nailer, N-A-Y-L-O-R, Nailer. Tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, Tailor. Makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes. Trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. Suits, S-U-I-T-S, suits, S-U-I-T-S, suits. Shirts, S-H-I-R-T-S, shirts, S-H-I-R-T-S, shirts. Okay children, now see. Now you know all this. So who is she? Penny Proctor. So number 8, Penny, P-E-N-N-Y, Penny. Okay, Penny. Number 9, Proctor, P-R-O-C-T-O-R, Proctor. Number 10, Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, Doctor. Number 11, Comes, C-O-M-E-S, Comes. Number 12, Hurts, H-U-R-T-S, Hurts. Okay children, see now number 8, Penny, P-E-N-N-Y, Penny. Proctor, P-R-O-C-T-O-R, Proctor. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, Doctor. Comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes. Hurts, H-U-R-T-S, hurts. Okay children, have you learned this about doctors, these words? Okay, now see, now from the picture only you will be able to tell which words are going to come. Yes, about farmer, related words to a farmer. So number 13, Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter. P-E-T-E-R, Peter. Number 14 is Palmer, P-A-L-M-E-R, Palmer. Number 15, Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, Farmer. Number 16, Goats, G-O-A-T-S, Goats. Number 17, Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, Sheep. Okay, children? See here. Number 13, Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter. Palmer, P-A-L-M-E-R, Palmer, P-A-L-M-E-R, Palmer. Okay, P-A-L-M-E-R, Palmer. Farmer, Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R. See, listen carefully. Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, Farmer. Goats, G-O-A-T-S, Goats, G-O-A-T-S, Goats. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay. Now see hard word. See here this sentence. See here this picture. Okay. Have you seen this picture? Very good. So now you all know what is going to come here. Very good. So number 18, Wendy. W-E-N-D-Y, Wendy. Victor, W-I-T-T-E-R, Victor. Babysitter, B-A-B-Y-S-I-T-T-E-R, babysitter. 21, Minds, M-I-N-D-S, minds. 22, Kids, K-I-D-S, kids. 23, Asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Okay, children? Now see, we will revise this. See, we are doing revision, no? So you have to do it again. Wendy, W-E-N-D-Y, Wendy. Okay, Victor, W-I-T-T-E-R, Victor. B-A-B-Y-S-I-T-T-E-R, sitter, babysitter. Minds, M-I-N-D-S, minds. Kids, K-I-D-S, kids. Asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Okay. So now say Wendy, Victor, babysitter, minds, kids, asleep. Okay, children. Now see hard words about see. Number 24. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. See, this is a picture of country and this is a picture of town. Do you remember I have explained to you? Yes. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. 25, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. 25, people, P-A-O-P-L-E, people. Word number 26, work, W-O-R-K, work. 27, town, T-O-W-N, town. 28, night, N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Number 29, world, W-O-R-L-D, world. Okay, children? Country, see the spelling, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, T-R-Y, country. Okay. Number 30 is round, R-O-U-N-D, round. 24, country. Number 25, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. 26, work, W-O-R-K, work. 27, town, T-O-W-N, town. 28, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. 29, world, W-O-R-L-D, world. Number 30 is R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, children, have you understood these words? How the people work day and night to make the word go round. Do you remember that line in the poem? Okay. Now we will learn meanings of lesson number 7. Do you know lesson 7 meanings? This you have to learn by heart. Okay. Number 1 is wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder. So what is the meaning of wonder? Can you tell me? Yes. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder. Wonder is curiosity. C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y, curiosity. Wonder, curiosity. Number 2 is always. Always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. Always, at all times. A-T at A-double-L, all, T-I-M-E-S, times. At all time. Reaches, R-E-A-C-H-E-S, reaches. So what is the meaning? To come to, T-O-2, C-O-M-E, come, T-O-2. To come to. To come to. T-O-2, C-O-M-E, come, T-O-2. To come to, reaches. Grandma reaches the shop, no? So that grandma reaches home. So to come to. Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Now you all know what is cucumber. Do you remember what is cucumber? Yes. Cucumber is a vegetable. A V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Number 5 is raining, R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. What is the meaning here? To rain. Very good, children. Okay, see, we will revise again. Wonder, curiosity. See the spelling. Wonder, curiosity. C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y, curiosity. Learn the spelling of these answers also. Okay. Now see number 2. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. At all times. A-T at A-double-L, all, T-I-M-E-S, times. At all times. See here, always, at all times. Okay, children. Now see number 3. Reaches. R-E-A-C-H-E-S. Reaches. To come to. To come to. Reaches, the meaning is to come to. Okay. Cucumber. Now what is the meaning here? Cucumber. A vegetable. A vegetable. A V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, N-I-N-G, raining. The meaning is here to rain. To rain. Okay, children? See now. You all have done the scene. Wonder, curiosity. Always, at all times. Reaches to come to. Cucumber, a vegetable. Raining, to rain. Okay, children, have you all understood these meanings of lesson 7? Yes. Now of poem. Poem number 8. We will learn meanings. We will revise it. Okay. So, minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds. Do you remember what is the meaning of minds? Think it. Minds. Do you remember? Those who are giving answers, very good. Minds. Take care. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Take care. Country. What is the meaning of country here in the poem? See, this is a country in the poem. So, what it means? Country. Yes, you all know. What is the meaning here? Country. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay, children? Minds. Take care. Country. Village. Minds. Take care. Country. Village. Do you remember? See here. Minds. Take care. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Country. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay, children? You all are remembering this. Minds. What is the meaning here? Minds. Take care. Learn it well. Okay, if you have not learned, learn it well. Minds. Take care. Country. Village. Learn the correct spelling also. Okay, children? So, see here. Minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds. That Wendy Witter minds the kids, no? So, minds means take care. Minds. Wendy Witter take care of the child, no? So, minds means take care. Country. What is the meaning here of country? Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Understood? I hope you all are understanding and learn it well. Okay? So, country, the spelling is C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. And what is the spelling of village? It is written. Can you read? Learn well. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay, children? Minds. Take care. Country is village. Okay. Now I hope you all have done revision of hard words and meanings. So you all know now. Learn well. Okay. Prepare for your FA3 examination. Okay. So now see here. What we had done today, what we did revision, which revision we did? We did revision of hard words. Which lesson? Lesson 7 and poem 8. Okay, we did not just now hard words of lesson 7 and poem 8. And which other we did? What other thing we did? Only hard words we did? Do you know which revision we did? Yes, we did revision of hard words. We did revision of meanings. Okay, children? So now I hope you all have learned these hard words, meanings. You all have completed your fair book as well. Okay. So do it properly, do revision, revise everything. Okay children. Thank you all.